Welcome to AI in Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is Thursday, July 18th. Here is what we are covering. Pindrop has raised $100 million in debt financing from Hercules Capital to enhance its voice authentication and AI technologies. This funding will support Pindrop in combating the increasing sophistication of cyber attacks, particularly in sectors like banking and healthcare. With their technology, Pindrop has analyzed over 5 billion calls and prevented $2 billion in fraud losses. This comes as regulators, including the FCC, push for rules to curb deepfake use in robocalls and protect consumer information. Switching to tech innovations, Microsoft is betting on AI to revolutionize Excel with its new tool, Spreadsheet LLM, set to transform how businesses handle data. This AI-driven feature utilizes a groundbreaking encoding framework called Sheet Compressor to streamline spreadsheets, significantly reducing the workload for AI from 25-fold. The innovation aims to make Excel more dynamic and responsive, automating complex tasks and offering new methods for data interpretation. While still in testing, this move underscores Microsoft's commitment to enhancing productivity tools with advanced AI capabilities. In social media news, Instagram will let a select group of researchers access its data to study how the platform affects the mental health of teens and young adults. Partnering with the Center for Open Science, the pilot program may provide independent studies offering insight into this relationship. Researchers will have access to data on usage patterns, but will exclude demographic information and content specifics. The initiative aims to address ongoing concerns that surfaced after internal documents suggested Instagram may contribute to teen anxiety and depression. Turning to education, Andrej Karpathy, a founding member of OpenAI, announced he's starting an innovative school called Eureka that integrates AI into the educational experience. Karpathy envisions a future where AI teaching assistants support human instructors in providing personalized, scalable learning to everyone. He points out that while passionate, fluent educators are scarce, generative AI can help bridge this gap. This venture follows recent trends in the AI sector, including the launch of Safe Superintelligence by another ex-OpenAI executive, Ilya Sutskever. In political endorsements, the co-founders of Silicon Valley's venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz, Ben Horowitz and Mark Andreessen, have announced their support for Donald Trump's re-election bid. They plan to make substantial donations backing Trump's stance on bolstering American innovation and his support of cryptocurrencies. While their donations are notable, Elon Musk's plans to donate $45 million monthly to Trump's campaign surpass their contributions. The duo argues that bad government policies stifle startups and views Trump as a more favorable candidate for the tech industry than Joe Biden. Finally, in the AI startup world, Fei-Fei Li, known as the godmother of AI, has launched a startup called World Labs, which has already reached a valuation of over $1 billion within just 4 months. The company aims to develop AI capable of advanced reasoning through human-like visual data processing, potentially revolutionizing fields like robotics and augmented reality. Li, a key figure in computer vision, also co-directs Stanford's Human-Centered AI Institute and has served as an AI advisor to the White House. Backed by Andreessen Horowitz and Radical Ventures, World Labs recently secured $100 million in its latest funding round.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.